The Aprilia SR125. It's fast, it's agile around corners, and it stops just like that. It's powered by a 124.7cc engine and generates a power of 9.92 PS at 7700 RPM. It's got telescopic forks at the front and a monoshock at the rear. However, the front feels very stiff and can literally feel each and every bump. The rear feels much better. In fact, with the pillion behind, the bike seems much more planted on high speeds and soaks bumps much easily. It runs on massive 14-inch V-rubber tires. It may not be the easiest scooter out there to take a sharp U-turn, but definitely gives confidence when leaned over on corners. The handling is spot on. Unlike most scooters out there which max out at 70 to 80 km per hour, if not begin to wobble a bit after 70 to 80, the Aprilia, however, has an amazing high-speed stability and maxes out at a crazy 115 km per hour, although it tries to push further and maybe hit that 120 mark on the dial given a straight stretch. It runs on a 22mm front disc with 2 piston calipers by Bibre and a 140mm drum at the back. And trust me, boy oh boy, bringing this machine to a stop is a piece of cake. The seat height is on the higher side as compared to other scooters. The seat feels a bit firm for the rider, however, it's just about fine for the pillion. The 6.5 litre fuel tank is best in segment and offers a range of at least 250 km and even 300 if ridden economically. The company claims a mileage of 45 kmpl, but as much as I've checked, it returns around 38 to 40 kmpl. Being an Aprilia, the build quality is definitely good, but the plastics used for the switches seems a bit poor. The underseat storage, however, is quite less and does not make room for a full face helmet. The twin headlights up front are halogens and do not offer much light spread, hence I had to change these to LEDs. So, the real question is the Aprilia SR125 worth buying? Who is it meant for? And importantly, what is the cost of maintenance? Well, let me start by saying, if you're someone looking for a fun to ride scooter that can cut through traffic and make daily commute much more fun, or someone doing frequent trips on the highways, then this is definitely the bike you want to get, provided you can compromise on the ride comfort for that extra performance. Not denying the fact that the Aprilia 125 can definitely do those long tours or trail rides, but with that stiff suspension up front, you're sure to have your hands and back aching AF at the end of it, because it's built for twisties and highways and not for off-road. That aside, the cost of maintenance is something Aprilia definitely needs to look into. With an average service cost ranging from around Rs 600 to 1300 depending on the intervals of oil change, that's quite a lot of money for a scooter. To conclude, having ridden this bike for almost 2 years, the only deal breaker I see is the stiff suspension up front. Besides that, the Aprilia SR125 is definitely value for money, at least over the Aprilia SR150. So if you found this review helpful and would want me to review any other vehicle, do let me know in the comment section below. So until next time, this is Alistair signing off. Take care, ride safe, and bye bye.